Pirmi mo ko ni sinusurpresa. One hour naman kadi. Katun palayon kami. Salamat. Salamat ni. Salamat. Happy birthday po.
Yan, so magigwa ka po ma'am ng 40,000 pesos. Palakpakan!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hindi na naman ang dati kong araw. Buti pang bata sa piling aga. Nais kong mahuli ang awit ni mahal. Awit ng pag-ibig habang ako'y nasa duyan. Sa aking pagtulog na labis ang himbing. Ang tanggay ko'y dala, ang tanod ko'y bituin. Sa piling nanay, kami ay buhay. Puso ko'y may kumisa. You are the one who makes me happy when everything turns to gray. Yours is the voice that wakes me in the morning and sends me out to the day. You are the cloud that sits quiet, listening to me and all the mad sense I make. You are one of the few things I remembering. And since it all, how would anyone mean more to me than you? May ba sa isang inang mapa
birthday ma. Yung paratangis. Taubag na namin tumata mo. Maan ka mo permi ni tatay. Yung paratangis. Yung paraluwas-luwas. Miss ko na ka mo.
Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the world means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do. Thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is what I'd ever hoped for, and the love of what I hold is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no fall from grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through. Thanks to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Pirmi mo ko ni sinusurpresa. One hour naman kadi. Katun palay. Kami. Salamat. Salamat ni. Salamat. Salamat. Nag-iingat kasi itong Pirmi. Happy birthday.